This is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to boost your PC speed by disable startup app on your Windows PC. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here on your Windows PC. Right click on your start menu, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. That's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to apps. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on startup. Then it's going to take you right here. So right here, make sure you disable as many as possible apps that is running in the background each time you turn on your PC. So by doing that, you are improving the speed of your Windows PC. Turn off as many as possible. Is that simple. So basically, this is how to disable startup app on your Windows PC in order to boost your PC speed. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.